Lueta! Ayan, vloggers, photographers, TV cameraman, let's all welcome her.
Yay!
The beautiful, she is so back in prime time. She is, for me, the most beautiful face ever na nag-grace sa Philippine showbiz, Miss Dawn Zulueta. And to quote Malu Santos, ang galing-galing ni Dawn Zulueta sa You're My Home. The US. Okay, we'd like to invite everyone now to please inside Act 2. We are starting right on time. Napakaganda naman talaga ni Miss Dawn. Oh my goodness.
Miss Dawn.
Ako pa lang to.
Dear po.
Ayan. Tingnan mo, parang pitong bunga nga lang yun, pero parang buong araneta na tayo. Pito lang yan, pero parang araneta na ang naririnig sa prime time ang share doon. Diba?
Yes, actually, may iba naman tayo. This is really a story of family. Kasi hindi lang ito yung tungkol sa nanay na may nawalan sa kanya, pero it's also a story of the husband and wife, the mother and father and the relationship with the children, the sisters and brothers, the relationship. So, kaya nga sinasabi namin na ito yung teleserye namin.
Are you planning anything when February next year? Diba? I always ask you this.
Right now, wala pa kami plans. Pero yes, within 25 years, I'm with Chardo next year.
But the chemistry of you and Richard talaga,
I think that's a good thing because it's giving Richard and I opportunities to work. It makes us still relevant now. So, nagpapasalamat sa fans namin at tumatawag.
You've been so blessed this year with the movie, with this teleserye. Are you going to reward yourself this Christmas, family?
Yes, absolutely. We're going to take a trip to the States and we're going to spend our Christmas holidays with our relatives.
Because sa Halloween, you were abroad too, di ba?
Yeah, but that was only 4 days. So I just wanted to slip away and like Disney lang, no? Pero we will do this kind of Christmas. Winter naman, white Christmas kami.
Are you going to get anything for yourself?
For me, kasi it's enough that I have time away. Diba? And then you're with your family, I get to spend time with the kids. Ano na lang, plus na yung shopping.
Time is really precious. Again, congratulations, Dawn.